So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for Google Chrome. So first of all, I'm going on Canva because it's absolutely free for use. I highly recommend you for use this tool. So this link available on my video description for easy access. So just I open a design. It's better if you choose round system and square width. So just go on app section, then here are type QR code. Here are type QR code, then choose any one. So I want to use different color, so like this one. Opened. Then I want to use a link. Choose link or text, app store, Wi-Fi, phone number, and otherwise. So I choose link or text, then example of text. I paste my Google Chrome link here, then add QR code. Just click on add QR code. Okay, it's successfully created. Otherwise, you go on app section, here are type QR code, then choose first one, then paste your destination link, then click on generate code, then maybe just zoom for feet, then go on share button, download, click, then download as a png. So this is very easy work. I hope you are doing successfully. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.